This 2024 Jayco Seneca XT 35L is a Class C RV. It is located in Lubbock, Texas, 79403 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Lubbock. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a warm river interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Jayco Seneca XT 35L is built on a Ford F600 4x4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.